Doing a review and unboxing for a gift for Christmas. I ordered this truck for my nephew for Christmas and was a little disappointed at the sizing of the toy. I usually watch or usually look at the reviews before I ordered it, but because of the picture, I thought that it would be a great buy because it was, the way they advertised it was huge. And I got this little thing in the mail, which was very misleading. So I'm a little perturbed, and I think I'm going to leave about a 3 or a 2 star because of the sizing and the advertising. But it's a cute little truck anyhow. It comes with all the pieces, which I'm not going to open because it is a Christmas gift. Comes with a screwdriver, takes AA batteries, so anybody looking for something for a birthday gift or Christmas or any kind of gift, forgive me, I'm still trying to get all the pieces out. Yeah. Comes with all the pieces to the truck. It's cute, but it's not what they advertise. I'm not going to return it because I really want him to have this truck. I wish it was bigger, and I wish they would not advertise things so big. But it's cute anyhow, so I hope everybody have a happy holiday. Would I recommend? Not sure.
Toddler and this truck are a good size, big and sturdy, but it's just a small truck. So know that before you purchase.
Size compared to shampoo bottles and salt and pepper shakers. Little.